In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix McDonald's app not working in your area. Let's get started. Most of the time, the problem is related to your internet connection or location settings. If your Wi-Fi is weak or unstable, the app may fail to load deals or even show no stores available. Switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa often fixes it instantly. Also, make sure location services are turned on because the McDonald's app needs your location to show nearby restaurants and reason-based offers. If location is disabled, the app may think you are outside service areas even when you are not. Another common reason is wrong region or store selection. Sometimes the app automatically picks a restaurant that does not support ordering or promotions. Try manually changing your selected McDonald's location inside the app and refresh it. This alone can bring back missing menus or deals. If everything still looks broken, it could be a login or app glitch. Try logging out and logging back in, or simply force close the app and reopen it. Likewise, check for app update. So navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app McDonald's. If you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. You should also check if you are using a VPN or private DNS because the app may block or limit access when your IP location does not match your selected region. Turning off VPN usually fixes missing deals or not available in your area messages. Finally, you can check the server status of McDonald's. So launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in McDonald's server status and search for it. Now navigate to the website down detector. If there are any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. So that's all for this video. Hopefully one of these methods will fix your issue. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.